Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mivi DuoPods A25 truly wireless earphones. There's an image of what the earphones are supposed to look like. This is a in-ear design earphone. There are a lot of information here as well. Over here you can see it's written HD stereo sound, lossless audio, super solid bass, powerful drivers, IPX4 sweat-proof rating, play it on and on, 30 hours of battery life. One touch play, pause, answer calls, proudly made in India, and 1 year of warranty. Do we have any other information? No, that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the earphones. Okay. So, okay, a lot of documents here. We'll take a look at them. Essentially the charger, and this is the DuoPods A25. Sorry about that. So let's take a look at these documents first. This is a user manual. You should obviously read this at least once. We'll keep this here. This is a thank you note from Mivi, and this is a 1-year registration card. This smaller box will probably carry the charging cable and extra silicone tips. So this is your USB-C charging cable, there you can see. And these are extra silicone tips. This particular packet will have the small and large variety. The medium one should be on the earphones themselves. And I'm taking a look at the earphones. This is a very tiny charging case. It's super small. It's fitting at the center of my palm. As you can see, it's very small. There you can see it's super small. It's a very compact, and it looks like a pebble. It has a matte black finish to it. Over here you can see a USB-C port. This is for charging, and that's it. There's a Mivi logo on top. Let's open it and take a look inside. There you can see these are the DuoPods A25, the in-ear design earphones. You can see the Mivi logo over here as well, and left and right is also shown over here. So the moment I take them out, these lights start to blink. I don't know if you can see them there. It's blinking. So this basically means that it is now entered pairing mode. We'll keep this one over here and take a quick look. So these are your in-ear design earphones. It has an angular nozzle over here. There you can see the angular nozzle, and it also has a glossy finish to it. Okay, and it also comes with full touch controls as well. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mivi DuoPods A25 true wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.